Checking your credit score can lower it. Sounds scary, right? But here's the truth most people get wrong. Checking your own credit score does not hurt your credit, ever, but some credit checks do. There are two types of credit checks: soft inquiries and hard inquiries. Soft inquiries happen when you check your own score, or when lenders pre-approve you. These do not affect your credit score. Hard inquiries happen when you apply for credit cards, loans, or financing. One hard inquiry won't destroy your score, but several in a short time? That's a red flag. It signals financial stress, and that's when your score can drop. So no, checking your credit is not the problem. Applying too often is. Monitor your credit, track it, protect it. Just don't panic apply. A strong credit score isn't about fear. It's about understanding the rules, and once you know them, you win. This video is for general educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Credit rules may vary by state. Credit clarity, build credit. Stay smart.